Hey guys, Crypto Vet here. Thanks for ducking into the coin bunker. So today I'm excited. We're going to be testing out Sallar Miner Beta. All right, this is a decentralized mining network on the Solana network, and basically you use your devices to provide computational power to the network, and in return you get to you mine Sallar, this coin here. Okay, so the reason we're doing this is because I'm looking for an alternative to Accurist. Now, if you don't know anything about Accurist, it's a decentralized compute network. It's the same idea. This was the first one that I came across, and this is where you dedicate your devices to mine this token. You dedicate your computing power to the network, and in return, you mine these tokens. As you can see, I have 6 phones still deployed on this network, and I have a balance of 7,400 that I've mined over the course of about 6 months. And this is what the mining setup looks like. This is 6 Moto G smartphones that I bought for right around $30 a piece at Walmart. And they're dedicated to this network. They don't do anything else but sit there and mine this token. Now, the thing is, I'm not getting near as more the return as what I was a few months ago on mining this thing. It's getting to where you're only getting like 3 or 4, over a 24-hour period, which really doesn't make it much worth it. So we're going to be checking out Sallar Miner. I did download the miner. You just go to sallar.io and you pick which application you want, the desktop version, Android, Linux, whatever, and then it brings you you sign in and it'll bring the miner up. And so I already did all that. I have not even checked the miner out yet. So we're going to do that here in a little bit. But we're going to read about Sallar and figure out exactly what it is. And then we're going to check the miner out for the first time. Okay, here's some general information on Sallar. Let's see what we can learn about this thing. Okay, Sallar Mining App is a decentralized application that allows users to share their devices' computing power to earn Sallar tokens, which are called ALL, as rewards. By connecting their devices to the Sallar network, users contribute to a decentralized computing infrastructure that supports various industries like artificial intelligence, big data, and cryptography. The app operates on the Solana blockchain and utilizes decentralized physical infrastructure DePIN to transform smartphones and browsers into computational nodes. Users can download the Sallar app, connect their devices, and start sharing computational power, earning Sallar tokens as rewards. The mining process is governed by a secure, audited smart contract, ensuring transparency and security. The Sallar tokenomics model rewards users based on the computational power they contribute. With a maximum token supply capped at 12 billion, the Sallar network is managed by Astral Holdings OU, an organization registered in Estonia with a core team of professionals in blockchain technology, business management, and marketing. Okay, so that's pretty good information. I mean, sounds to me it's kind of using the Accurist model. I don't know which one came first. I found Accurist before I found this, but there's people that have already been mining this for a little while. So we're going to get into it and check the miner out. Now, like I said, once you pick which application you want, desktop, Android, Linux, whatever, you're going to do the sign in process, which you can sign in using your Google account or whatever, and that's what I did. And then it brought the miner up. So let's check that miner out and see how it functions, check the functionality out. And if I like it, I'm going to dedicate a couple more phones to Sallar. So let's check it out now. Okay, so once you get the miner downloaded and everything, this is what it brings up. Okay, so turning the miner on and off. When the miner is turned on, your device will share its CPU for all projects within the Sallar network. To earn rewards on the miner, you must mine for 15 minutes without turning off the miner. Once you accumulate 2 Sallar, they will be recorded on the blockchain and available in the rewards section. Okay, so it's saying some stuff up here. What's it saying? All right, stop mining. Did you know that your computer? Okay, so let's go to next. Okay, turning sleep mode on and off. This click this button to enable or disable no sleep mode. When sleep mode is enabled, it mainly works on computers, preventing the computer from entering sleep mode. Okay. So, all right, bear with me, guys, because I've never seen this before. Am I mining right now? Let's see. All right, to activate. All right. So I'm gonna have to set up an external wallet and let's see, manage devices. Yeah, I'm not sure I'm active right now as far as the mining. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of research on this. I don't know if I'm mining or not. It says hit this button to stop mining, but okay, yeah, miner is running now. All right, we're up and mining. All right, cool. Well, I'm gonna continue to monitor this thing and see if I like it. It looks pretty cool. It's the same concept as Accurist, but it has these 15-minute mining blocks, which kind of makes it easier. With Accurist, as you can see here in this picture, you actually dedicate the whole phone or the whole device. So, the device does nothing else but sit here and mine the CACU. And that's why, it's like they've taken away the rewards. I mean, I've been mining for a few days and I've only gained two or three to where, I was getting 40 or 50 per day at one time, with five phones. So it's just making it not worth it. Hopefully these things, Pi went up to like $3 at one time. And Pi is not nearly as good as a project as Accurist. So when these things become available, if they get anywhere near, a dollar or so, I'm going to be in pretty good shape with 7,400 of them. Um, and all I did was buy some $30 cheap smartphones, six of them. So I'll, definitely be on the upside as far as profit. Okay, so that's Sallar. Let me know, guys, if you're gonna check this out or if you've started mining the Sallar token, which is called All, and what you think of it. It is on the Solana blockchain, which makes it kind of unique. So we shall see. All right, please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.